Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back to Easy Toddler Hairstyles. Today we've got a super simple 5-minute style for you. We are going to show you how to do these super cute Minnie Mouse buns. They are really fast and we've worn them to Disney before. They're cute for everyday play, but also great for a trip to Disney.
Let's get started.
I've started by putting her hair up in 2 even pigtails that are fairly high on the top of her head. You want the pigtails about even with the top of the ear, and as you can see from the back, they're fairly high, so you can get the Minnie Mouse ear effect. From here, I'm just going to comb out each pigtail, make sure that they're nice and smooth, put a little bit of spray gel and water in them, and then I'm going to take an elastic and wrap it around a few times. The third time through, I'm just going to bring the hair through in a little loop so that it's sticking up about 2 inches. I'll spread the loop out and make sure that I can fit my thumb or finger through it. From here, I'm going to split the tail of the hair, which is that back of the hair, in half, and I am basically going to put it up inside this loop and then pin it into place. Again, I'm going to do that on the other side with the other half of the hair kind of twisted around, and then we are going to push it through the loop on the other side. Bring the loop down so it's flush against the rest of the head, and then bobby pin it in place. Now this style is a little bit easier when your little one has short hair. Nova's hair is fairly long. It's past halfway down her back, so it's a little bit trickier than the first time that we tried it, but you just want to make sure that you use lots of bobby pins to pin it into place. So here I'm just going to repeat it on the other side. Make a loop that sticks up about 2 inches. Make sure that your finger can fit through it smoothly, and then we're going to fan it out. Split the tail of the hair in half, kind of twist it, and just push it up through. And then you're going to want to fan the little bun over the hair that you pushed up through so you don't see that hair that's up inside of there. But that's what's going to give the Minnie Mouse look without having that extra hair or the tail of the hair hanging down. So we're just going to repeat this on the other side. I'm just going to push it up through and then fan it over until I get it how I like, and then I will bring the loop all the way down and pin it against her hair. Now you can go back and see where else you might need the hair to be more secure and cover up that extra hair. You can comb it out to make it smooth, which I've done on both sides. Add a little bit more spray gel or hairspray so that you can ensure that it will stay all day long. Lastly, I'm just going to add some little bows. I think they are really cute and add a nice touch to this style. And we'll give you one last spin of our Minnie Mouse hairstyle. It's about a 5-minute style from start to finish. We really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Bye.
And stay tuned for a new video every week. Bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye. Bye.